Hi children, let's look at the preposition under. You look at the sentence, look at the picture, and it's very clear from the picture. And look at the word under preposition in the sentence. We are learning to read, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this exercise. Let's look at our first picture. Study the picture carefully, and you'll find under. Now look. Look at the little boy. What's happening to him? Where is his feet? His feet, the boy is standing under the sun. Okay, where is he standing? Under the sun. Sharp sun, hot sun, and he's there at the beach enjoying himself. We are looking at the word preposition under in the sentence. Let's read the sentence together. The boy is standing under the sun. Can you see? The boy standing under the sun. Good. Are you happy? Picture says very clearly where he's standing. We're learning under, preposition under. The boy is standing directly under the sun. Okay, good. Let's take another picture. Look at the picture, study. Look, the jungle, and you see a lion sitting. Where is the lion sitting? The lion is sitting under the tree. Probably he's feeling very hot. He's sitting by the stream to drink some water. And where is he now? Under the tree. Yes, the lion is sitting under the tree. We are learning what? Preposition under. Look at the sentence again. The lion is sitting under the tree. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise? Shall we look at a new picture now? Look. Look at the two boys, two little children, girl and boy. They are playing hide and seek. Now, where are they sitting? The kids are sitting, the kids are hiding under the table. They're playing hide and seek. Where are the kids? Hiding? They're hiding under the table. The kids are hiding under the table. Can you see them? Quietly they're sitting there, hiding under the table. Maybe mama is looking for them. Yes, we are learning the preposition under. Look at the sentence again. The kids are hiding under the table. Beginning, capital letter, full stop. The word under is the preposition we are doing, and so it's colored. Shall we look at another picture? Good. Do you like the exercise? Look at this. There's a tree here, and the little boy is sitting there. Okay? Where is the boy? The boy is sitting under the tree. Where is the boy sitting? Under the tree. He's having, probably he played, now he's relaxing. We are learning preposition under, and it's colored. Look at the sentence and read again. The boy is sitting under the tree. Yes? Good. Let's look at another new picture. Look at this picture again. Who is sleeping under the table? Your dog. He's looking for a cool place where no one will disturb. Where is the dog? The dog is sleeping under the table. Preposition under. Look at it carefully. Who is sleeping under the table? The dog is sleeping under the table. Under preposition, so it's colored. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we look at a new picture? Here we are. Here's a new picture. A huge cap is there, and somebody is hiding. Who is hiding under the cap? The monkey is hiding. It's a big cap, and the monkey is hiding under the cap. Where is the monkey? Hiding under the cap. Yes? Lovely picture, isn't it? The monkey is hiding under the tiny monkey, and no one can see him. Did you enjoy the exercise? The preposition under. Let's go on to another picture. Look, your little pussycat. Where are you looking at? Pussycat is there under the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is sleeping under the chair. Where is the cat sleeping? The cat is sleeping under the chair. Yes? Under. Preposition under in the sentence. Look carefully and read it again. The cat is sleeping under the chair. Good. Let's look at another picture. What do we have here? Lots of animals. And there is a shed. Under the shed we have few animals. You have cows living under the shed. Where are the animals? The animals are living under the shed. It's very hot, so we put them into the shed. Cows, brown and white, they are living under the shed. Under is the preposition we are looking at in the sentence. Look and read the sentence again. The animals are living under the shed. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's look at another picture. Look here. We have a cup and saucer. Yes? Where is the saucer? The saucer is placed under the cup. The saucer is placed under the cup. Where is the saucer? The saucer is placed under the cup. Under. Preposition under. Look at the sentence. The saucer is placed under the cup. Here's the cup, huge cup, and here's the saucer. Where is the saucer? Under the cup. Good. Let's go on to another picture. There's a plant here. Can you see the plant? Yes. Can you see the root? No, you cannot see the root. Where are the roots? The roots of a plant grow under the soil. When you pull out a plant, you'll see the root. And that's how the plant lives. So here's a tiny plant, and if you look inside, dig the soil, you'll find the root growing under the soil. So where are the roots of the plant? The roots of a plant grow under the soil. Preposition under. Look at the sentence. Under is colored. Good. Let's look at another picture. Look what we have here. Look, you love to eat carrot? Good. It's good for your eyes. Now all these carrots, what is the carrot? Where does it grow? It's a root vegetable. It grows under. So the carrots grow under the soil. This colored orange carrot, you do not see it, only green leaf you will see. Where are the carrots? The carrots grow under the soil. What is under? The preposition. We are looking at preposition under. Good.